Today my class is on change in velocity. Change in velocity. Change in velocity. What is change in velocity? Change in velocity is nothing but final velocity minus initial velocity. Change in velocity. Change in velocity. Delta V bar. Change in velocity. Velocity is a vector quantity, so change in velocity also vector quantity. What is change in velocity? Delta V bar is equal to V final bar minus V initial bar. Change is always from subtraction of initial velocity from final velocity. Delta V bar is equal to V final bar minus V initial bar. This is known as a change in velocity. Change in velocity is nothing but final velocity minus initial velocity. What is change in velocity? Final velocity minus initial velocity. Suppose this is east, this is north, west, south. I cap is unit vector along east, j cap is unit vector along the north, minus I cap is unit vector along west, minus j cap is unit vector along the south. Suppose a car is moving with velocity 20 meters per second along the east. After some time, it takes 90 degrees left turn. After some time, it takes 90 degrees. It takes 90 degrees left turn and continues with velocity 40 meters per second along the north. What is the change in velocity of this body or this car? What is the initial velocity? Initial velocity V initial bar is equal to 20 I cap. What is final velocity? Final velocity V final bar is equal to 40 J cap. What is the change in velocity? Change in velocity. Change in velocity. Delta V bar is equal to V final bar minus V initial bar. What is V final? 40 J cap minus 20 I cap. Initially car is moving along east, finally it moves along the north. So it is the initial situation. So what is the change in velocity? Change in velocity delta V bar is equal 40 J cap minus 20 I cap. So this is east, north, west, south. So I cap unit vector, this is minus I cap, this is J cap, this is minus J cap. So J component is positive, I component is negative. That means final change in velocity delta V bar is in this direction. So this is final velocity V final bar, this is V initial bar. In this direction is V initial bar, but change in velocity is in this direction. That means this is final minus initial. So minus initial is, this is minus VI bar. So delta V bar is nothing but resultant of V final bar and minus V initial bar. Change in velocity is nothing but resultant of final velocity and negative of initial velocity. Second example. A car is moving. This is east, west, north, south. I cap, J cap, minus I cap, minus J cap. Initially, a car is moving 60 degrees south of east. 60 degrees south of east. This is represented as south of east. Car is moving with velocity 20 meter per second. After some time, this is the original direction of the car. It takes right turn. It takes right turn through 30 degrees and then continues with velocity, same velocity, final velocity is 20 meter per second. This angle is 30 degrees. It takes left turn. Finally, it moves along the south. How to find the change in velocity in this case? What is the initial velocity? Here, initial velocity is, this is east, this is south. So, velocity V initial is, makes an angle 60 degrees with east. So, it is represented as 60 degrees south of east. So, here, this is VI is 20. This component is 20 cos 60. This component is 20 sin 60. So V initial bar is equal to 20 cos 60 I cap plus 20 sin 60 j cap. What is final velocity? Final, initially it moves along this line. So it takes 30 degrees right turn. So finally it moves along south. So V final bar is equal to 20 minus j cap. Here also this is moving downwards. This is minus j cap. So this is the final velocities. What is the initial velocity? V initial bar is equal to 20 cos 60. What is cos 60? 1 by 2 I cap plus 20 sin 60. What is 20 sin 60? Root 3 by 2 minus j cap. So this is 10 I cap minus 10 root 3 j cap. This is the initial velocity. What is the final velocity? Final velocity is minus 20 j cap. What is change in velocity? Change in velocity. Change in velocity, delta V bar. What is change in velocity? Change in velocity, delta V bar is nothing but V final bar minus V initial bar. What is final velocity? Minus 20 j cap. What is initial velocity? Minus 10 I cap. Minus of minus plus 10 root 3 j cap. So finally this delta V bar can be written as minus 10 I cap minus 20 minus 10 root 3 j cap. This is the 10 root 3. What is root 3? Root 3 is 1.732 minus 10 I cap minus of 20 minus 10 into 1.732 j cap. So minus 10 I cap minus 20 minus 17.32 j cap. So 17.32 is less than 20. Finally, this component I component and j component both are in negative direction. So what is change in velocity? Delta V bar is the minus 10 I cap minus what is the initial velocity change. Final velocity is minus 20 j cap. This is minus tan I cap plus tan root 3. So this 20 minus 17.3 to 2.68 j cap. This is the final change in velocity of the body. Initially body is moving in this direction, tan I cap minus tan root 3 j cap. Final velocity is minus 20 j cap. So change in velocity is delta v bar is equal to v final bar minus v initial bar. So in vector form we can calculate change in velocity very easily. Representation of the directions. Suppose a car is moving with velocity 20 meter per second, making an angle 60 degrees with west. This is north, this is east, this is south. How to represent? This velocity can be expressed as 20 meter per second, 60 degrees north of west. 60 degrees, 20 meter per second, 60 degrees, magnitude is 20 meter per second. What is the direction? 60 degrees north of west. Suppose this car A is moving with velocity 10 meter per second, making an angle 30 degrees with the north. How to represent this velocity? 10 meter per second, angle is with north, so 30 degrees east of north. This is the direction. Okay.